A well-shaped body contour is good, but that is not the only requirement of healthy human system. We all have heard about balanced diet, but how many of us are actually aware of what it consists of? The balanced diet is what you need to keep yourself in a good state and strengthen your system. One of the important parts of the balanced diet that most of us tend to take for granted is protein. Each tissue is made up of protein. It is the source of life for each cell. Muscles, bones, organs and even hormones in your system use protein. Moreover, the skin, nails and hair are made up of protein. In short, you cannot avoid proteins in your diet and still remain in good state. What happens when you consume protein? Protein is considered important because it is a macronutrient. It is required by the body in a larger amount since it supports almost every organ function. Consumed food rich in protein is converted into amino acids inside your body. These amino acids are combined to form proteins again that can be used by the body. These proteins are used to carry out various tasks by various organs and for formation of new cells and replacement of tissues. What makes protein a necessary daily intake? Your body is going through innumerable changes every day. You shed the dead skin, nails and hair as well as your body needs to break down food you intake. There is growth taking place constantly and you perform tasks that require you to put physical efforts. All this makes you utilize proteins in your system. Therefore, a constant supply of protein is a must for optimal body functions. You need to take proteins on daily basis also because your body cannot store proteins. Whatever you consume as protein is absorbed as amino acids in the system. The body has the capacity to make amino acids on its own, but there are a certain number of amino acids which cannot be produced and these are called as essential amino acids. To fulfill this need you should consume food that is rich in essential amino acids. Choose the healthy sources of protein. There are mainly two sources of protein, that is, animal sources and plant sources. In order to get complete protein, which includes essential amino acids, you should consume protein from animal sources. Fish, meat and dairy products like egg, milk and cottage cheese are some of the examples of proteins from animal sources. In case you prefer vegetarian diet, soy products, legumes like black beans and lentils, nuts and seeds are the best sources of protein. Not every protein-rich food is good. A word of caution: anything beyond requirement is not good. The same applies to the consumption of protein. The macronutrient is required by the body but to a certain limit. Moreover, every food item that contains protein in higher amount may not be good. For instance, non-vegetarian food items are packed with proteins but they are also loaded with lots of unhealthy fats. And if not fats, these food items are packed with lots of sodium in them. A little bit awareness about nutrients in every food can help you to understand its daily intake. Protein is many times held responsible for allergies as well. A research at Harvard School of Public Health has also proved that eating red meat leads to cardiovascular diseases. Protein can be called a source of power that helps you to elongate your life. Nonetheless, eating just any protein-rich food is not the solution. Look for the sources that provide protein without you losing on health aspects. To ensure you get healthy proteins with all amino acids, include variety of protein-rich food in your diet.